What is Oxycure therapy? Inhaling pure oxygen in a pressure chamber to boost oxygen levels in the body. Also known as hyperbaric oxygen therapy. How is Oxycure applied? Administered in a special chamber that is pressurized to 1.3 to 3 times more than the normal atmospheric pressure. Sitting or lying down inside the chamber for the session. Performed by a trained medical professional. Process of Oxycure. Entering inside the chamber, pressurized with pure oxygen. Inhaling the oxygen through a mask or hood. Typically lasts around an hour. The pressure is gradually reduced. Patients are evacuated from the chamber. Benefits of Oxycure therapy. Elevates body oxygen levels, enhances the immune system and fosters new blood vessel growth, treats wounds and carbon monoxide poisoning and decompression sickness, promotes healing of certain conditions, improves overall wellness and athletic performance,